Hello YouTubers, I'm going to show you how to mod practically or hack any game on the Android device. All you need to do first is you got to actually root your phone, and after you root your phone, oh by the way, rooting your phone is not illegal. It's practically almost like jailbreaking, but it's not the exact same. It's legal and it doesn't give you an app like Cydia where you can like modify your phone. Anyways, you got to root your phone. And after you root your phone, you should get this thing called super user. Oh yeah, it's right there. It's fourth row down, second app from the end. It's called super user, and practically that just allows you to use apps that are kind of like on Cydia. They kind of like do cool things, I guess. But you can download right from the Play Store or the Game Store, or whatever the hell it's called, on your device. Anyways, I took these three games out. I was gonna mod all three. Well, show you how to mod all three, but I'm just gonna show Flappy Bird because I know it's like one of the biggest games out there right now. So, anyways, but to mod it, you can't just go into the game with a rooted phone. What you gotta do is you gotta download the app, the first app all the way on the left, called Game CIH. Once you got that downloaded, you just click on it, go inside, and you do have to have a rooted phone, like I said, to use this app here. I have not found another way to mod a game other than this app or using your computer, but this is right on the device wherever you are. As long, like, you don't even need to use internet, you just gotta be somewhere, doesn't use data or nothing. Anyways, you go into it, you pick your hotkey, your toolbar, yada yada yada, get out of that, pick whatever game you want to mod. It's worked for almost every game I've used. There's only the odd game that hasn't. Anyways, Flappy Bird, I was surprised it worked for this game because this is the type of game where you gotta like compete online. Oh, 1 second, let me just turn down my media. Anyways, that's not my score right there, 1 million. That is a modded score, obviously. But my actual best is, I'll show you, is the highest you can actually go on Flappy Bird, which is 2,147,483,647 points. That's the highest you can go on this game when it comes to modding. If you mod that number and you go through one tube, it goes back to 0. So after you mod it to that number, just fall and kill yourself right away. So practically you mod the number on the top where it says 0 and just kill yourself like that. Anyways, so what you do is start a game. So it says get ready, and right above it says 0. So anyways, go input number and put 0. And then you get a bunch of numbers in red saying found, so that's too much numbers to go through to mod it. So what you do is now you got to go through one tube on the game. 1 or 2 tubes, doesn't really matter. I just go through one because it's easier than waiting. So kill yourself after you have 1 point, so it's going to show up underscore 1 point. Oh, I messed up. Anyways, you're supposed to actually go back into the mod tool after you do that. I didn't do that, so I gotta kill myself again. Anyways, now write 1 after you get 1 point. So now see, look at how much numbers it canceled out. Now I'm at 3,526 numbers. Anyways, now what you do is just kill yourself. So it says 0. So you don't want to get 1 again. You want to get 0 or 2. So I just recommend... Oh, what the hell? It went up. Oh, no, it didn't. Sorry, I thought it said 9,000. Anyways, now it's at 939. And then you go through one tube again, 1 or 2. I usually try to go through 2 about now, so it really changes it up. And you don't have to modify it to a very high number. You can make it more of a reasonable number, like 210, and then you can go to school and be like, hey guys, look at what I got. And some people that do play the game, because it is apparently a very addicting game. I haven't got addicted to it yet. I just got it to mod it so I can be like, hey, it's not that hard. Anyways, so you get all these numbers here, and if you want to mod this exact game, you can mod other games. If you want me to mod a different game, just write a comment on what game you want me to try to mod on the Android device, not iPhone, Android, and I'll see what I can do. I'll download the game, I'll try it out. Even if it's a paid game, don't hesitate to comment it. I have another app that is called 4Shared. You can download free apps, and it's also legal. But anyways, so if you're modding this exact game, it's the first one, the one with the Y. The reason I know that is because I've modded this game before, and I know that the code for this game is Y. It's not going to be Y for every game. It will be different things, and it might not be the first exact number you get. It can be any of the numbers there. But I know for this exact game, it's Y. Anyways, what you do is you don't click on it yet. Just go here and press play. So it says 0. Now go in. See, now Y says 0 because that's how much numbers it is. Anyways, you go onto it. I'm just gonna mod it to 9999999. So 999,990 or 999,999,999, yada yada yada. So modify. Now if you look here, it's already at the top and you haven't even started yet. So you can either click on it and just kill yourself right away and don't worry about getting any higher, or if you want to build points, go ahead. So there, I'm at 1 billion. And then I'm just gonna kill myself because I don't want to keep going. So there you go. So my personal best of today is apparently 1 billion. Yeah, I don't know, I hesitated to say that. Anyways, it's 1 billion. So that's actually how you mod it. And then you can mod plenty of other games. Like I said, if you want me to mod a certain game, just put it in the not the description, as a comment, and I'll see what I can do.